Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TalkCast English TV, where learning English is easy. No boring lessons, just real conversations. I'm Alina, and I'm feeling wonderful today.
Hi, everyone. It's Lukas. I'm feeling great and so excited to be here with you all.
That's lovely to hear. So, Lukas, are you ready for our topic today?
I am so ready. I have been curious about this all week. What are we talking about?
Today, we are talking about a super fun and easy way to practice English. It's called shadowing.
Shadowing. Oh, that sounds interesting. And maybe a little mysterious, like a detective. But you say it's easy?
It is very easy. It's all about listening and speaking together. It's a perfect practice for everyone, especially for beginners. It feels like a game. And before we start, a quick and friendly request for our wonderful listeners. If you are enjoying our chat, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much.
Yes, please give this video a like and share it with your friends and family who are also learning English. Learning together is more fun.
Absolutely. Okay, back to shadowing. Are you ready to learn, Lukas?
I am ready. Let's do this.
Perfect. So let's start with the first big idea. Shadowing begins with active listening. Lukas, what do you think active listening means?
Good question. I think it means not just hearing the words, but really paying attention, like you are focused on the sound.
Yes, exactly. It's like when you listen to your favorite song. You don't just hear it, you feel the music. You notice the singer's voice. Active listening is like that for English. You focus on the sounds, the rhythm, the music of the language.
Oh, I love that. The music of the language. So it's not about understanding every word, right? It's about the sound.
Right, especially at the beginning. It's about training your ears. For example, when I was learning, I would listen to a short sentence and just focus on how it goes up and down, like a little melody.
That's a great way to think about it. So for our listeners, the first step is to find a short audio, maybe from our podcast, and just listen to its melody. Don't worry about the words yet, just the feeling of the sound.
That's a wonderful tip, Lukas. Thank you. So, step 1 is active listening. Feel the music of English.
Got it. Okay, my turn for a question. What comes after we start actively listening?
Great transition. The next part is about our mouths. It's about mouth movement awareness.
Mouth movement awareness? That sounds funny. Do I need to look in a mirror?
You can. It actually helps. You see, English uses our mouth, lips, and tongue in a certain way. Sometimes it's different from our first language, so we need to become aware of how we make the sounds.
Can you give us an example?
Of course. Let's try a simple sound. The th sound, like in the word thank you. For this sound, you put your tongue between your teeth, like this. Th. It's not a t or a duh. It's a soft, special sound. Thank you.
Oh, right. Thank you. It feels different. When I first tried it, I felt a little silly, but it makes the sound correct.
Yes, and that's the key. It's okay to feel silly. It means you are learning something new. Another one is the v sound. Your top teeth touch your bottom lip. Very. Can you try it?
Very. Yes, if I don't do that, it might sound like berry, which is not correct. So being aware of my mouth helps me speak more clearly.
Exactly. So, for our listeners, after you listen to the melody, try to notice how the speaker's mouth makes those sounds. You can watch videos of people speaking or just feel it in your own mouth. It's like a little dance for your lips and tongue.
I love that idea, a dance for the mouth. So we have step 1, active listening, and step 2, mouth movement awareness. This is already feeling very practical and not scary at all.
I'm so glad you think so. It really is for everyone. Now, let's connect these two ideas. Lucas, after you listen to a short phrase and think about the mouth movement, what do you think comes next?
I think we try to say it. We try to copy the sound we hear.
Yes, that is the heart of shadowing. You try to speak at the same time or just after the speaker. You are like their shadow. You follow them.
Oh, so that's why it's called shadowing. You followed the speaker's voice very closely.
That's right. It's like an echo, but you are the echo. You don't wait for the sentence to finish. You start speaking almost immediately after you hear the words.
That sounds like a fun challenge, but what if I can't keep up? What if I make a mistake?
That is a very important question. The answer is, it is okay. Making mistakes is normal. It is part of learning. The goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. Your mouth and ears are getting exercise.
So we should be kind to ourselves. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try your best and have fun with the sounds.
Perfectly said, Lucas. So let's do a very, very small practice together right now. Is that okay?
Let's do it. I'm ready.
Wonderful. I will say a very, very short, simple phrase. First, just listen to the melody. Ready? Hello, how are you?
Okay, I'm listening. Hello. How are you? It goes up at the end.
Yes, good. Now think about the mouth. For hello, the mouth is open. For how, the mouth is round. Now, let's try to shadow it. I will say it again, and you try to say it with me just a tiny bit after I start. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, how are you?
Hello. How are you? I did it.
You did it! That was excellent! How did it feel?
It felt a little fast, but also fun. It was like a game. My brain and my mouth had to work together quickly.
That's the perfect feeling. That is your English brain getting stronger. So, to recap our first half, we start with active listening to hear the melody. Then we think about mouth movement awareness. Then we bravely try to shadow the speaker, and we don't worry about mistakes.
This is a fantastic start. I think our listeners already have a very clear and simple guide to begin.
Welcome back, everyone. We were just talking about the basics of shadowing, listening, mouth movement, and trying it out. Now, Lucas, let's talk about how to make this a real-life habit. The third big idea is real-life repetition habits.
Real-life repetition habits. That sounds important. how can we practice shadowing in our daily life?
It's easier than you think. You don't need special hours. You can use little moments. For example, when you are listening to a song in English, you can try to sing along. Or when you watch a short video, you can repeat the last line you hear.
Oh, I see. So it's about using small pockets of time. Maybe when I'm cooking, I can listen to a podcast and just repeat 1 or 2 sentences. It doesn't have to be a long, serious study session.
Exactly. Small practice is powerful practice. It's better to practice for 5 minutes every day than for 1 hour once a week. Repetition is the key. Your mouth muscles need to get used to the new movements.
That makes a lot of sense. It's like exercise for your mouth. So, what kind of materials are good for beginners to shadow?
Wonderful question. Start with something slow and clear. Maybe a podcast for English learners, like ours.
A great choice.
Thank you. You can also use children's songs or cartoons. The speech is often very clear, and the sentences are short. The goal is to find something that is not too fast and not too difficult.
So, don't start with a fast action movie. Start with something calm and easy. Maybe even just a simple greeting.
Yes, perfect advice. Let's try another little practice. This time, let's use a question. I'll say it slowly. First, just listen. What is your favorite food?
Okay, listening. What is your favorite food? The rhythm is, what is your favorite food?
Wonderful listening. You heard the stress on is, fave, and food. Now, feel the mouth. What? Round lips. Favorite. Your teeth touch your lip for the V. Ready to shadow?
Ready.
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food? Wow, I can really feel the V sound now. It feels more natural.
That's amazing progress. That's what repetition does. It makes new things feel familiar. Now, what if a listener feels shy or embarrassed to practice?
Oh, that is a very common feeling. I felt a little shy when we practiced just now. My tip is to start alone in your room. No one is listening. You can be as silly as you want. It's your private practice time.
That is a fantastic tip. Your practice time is for you, not for anyone else. It's your safe space to try, make mistakes, and improve. Remember, every English speaker you admire started exactly where you are now.
That's so true. Be your own best friend. Cheer yourself on. Say, "Good job," to yourself after you try.
I love that. Positive energy is so important. So, to bring it all together, we use active listening to hear the music of English. We use mouth movement awareness to form the sounds correctly. And we use real-life repetition habits to practice a little bit every day in a fun, low-pressure way.
It's a simple 3-step plan that anyone can start today. I feel so motivated to try more shadowing myself.
Me too. It's a wonderful tool. And remember, The goal is communication and confidence, not perfect pronunciation. Have fun with the process.
Well, that brings us to the end of our main discussion. What a useful and fun conversation.
It really was. So let's wrap up. Today, we talked all about English shadowing practice. We learned that it's an easy and active way to improve your listening and speaking by being a shadow or an echo.
We discovered that simple routines, like practicing for a few minutes each day, can make a big difference in your English journey. It builds your confidence one small sound at a time.
Absolutely. My personal tip for you is to pick one short audio clip, maybe the introduction from this episode, and practice shadowing it just once a day for a week. See how your feeling and sound change.
That's a great idea. Thank you so much, Alina, for this wonderful guide. I really enjoyed our chat.
Thank you, Lukas, and thank you to all our listeners for joining us. We hope you found this helpful and feel encouraged to try shadowing.
If you enjoyed this episode, please help us grow our friendly learning community. Please subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations.
And if you could give this video a like, that would be wonderful. It tells us you like this topic.
Also, please share this episode with a friend who is also learning English. Learning is more fun with a friend. You can practice shadowing together.
We would also love to hear from you in the comments. Can you tell us one English word you find fun or interesting to say? Maybe it has a nice sound like bubble or sunshine. Let us know.
Yes, we read all your comments and love learning with you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every small step counts.
Well said. From all of us at TalkCastEnglishTv, take care, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!